Hello, here is the group one by one. This is our Android Studio project, Wuhan Jet Happilers, and this one is the main screens. On the top of the screens is there are the pictures. It could automatically changed, and you could also control it. And here are the 5 buttons. When you click one button, you could jump to the screens, and on the top of right, here is the user buttons. When you click it, it could jump to the login, and if you want to register, you need to type the username, the email, and the password, and confirm the password. For examples, I enter a username and my email. All the information would stored to my Firebase database. And when you click register, it could show the notice the registration successfully, and you tap to OK, then you could go to login it. When you log in successful, it also has a notice here, and then it could jump to the main screens, jump back to the main screens, and right now here could show the user list you just stored in my Firebase database, and when you click the user info, you could go to the user details. And here would show your email and your user list. When you click the log out, it would log out automatically. Well, I press this. Okay. So I log out my accounts, and then we have the viewpoint. When you click it, it would jump to the viewpoint list. Here we have the 4 viewpoints, and when we click more, it would jump to the introductions. Here is the yellow 10 towers introductions, and the pictures would automatically change, and you could also control it just like the main screens. And here is the chart, and we use 19 column. So you could just like do this to fill the introductions of this tower. And here is the bottom bars. We have 4: the food, the hotel, the introduction, and the map. For example, when we click the map, it could jump to the yellow tower address, and we also use the card and the columns. You could fill the address and the tips when you fill here, and also I add a Google Map API, so you could zoom in, zoom out here to see the detail in map. And when you click the hotel and the food, you could jump to the other screens. And these 3 has the same functions. Just okay. Now we go to the exchange. In these screens, I get API support from the exchange rate APIs, and here it could show the last update times. These screens, the tourist can converters here. When you click the RMBs, for example, the 15 yuan, and then you click these buttons, it would automatically how much the MYR. And then let's go to the tips. In tips, I use the room to store the locations, expressions, and this list, the user name would automatically connect to the Firebase database. So what username you used in the login, it could show automatically. And here we add a few. For examples. You can hi. When we click the save the revenues, it would notice us to log in. So this time we need to log in. Okay, when we click the logins, we could add a few right laws. You can hi. Save fields. Now our tips could store in my rooms, and we also could change it, and we could delete it. And the other two screens is made by another group member Zhou Minshi. This one is the food, and we will introduce the three kinds of traditional food in Wuhan. And when you click it, you could see the locations. In this page, we use the Google Map APIs, and you could also zoom in to out here. And in the hotel, we add the three hotels, and you could see the introductions, and also you could see the locations here. It also uses the Google Map APIs. Okay, that's all. Thank you.